My people, una see the reason why online in-laws really get issue with this Yul Edochie, and anybody that is supporting Yul Edochie be like say you no know wetin morals dey. My people, Jubem Daniel wey be the first daughter of Yul Edochie with May Edochie don even still finally come out come cry out for social media because e be like say the pressure don dey too much on the girl. My people, we all know that May Edochie actually, after all this saga bin happen, May Edochie has never for once come to drag Yul Edochie on social media, and I think and I feel, and that's what online in-laws feel, that May Edochie actually made sure she tell Danielle not to drag their father on social media, not to even do anything silly on social media. The woman dey teach the children better thing, unlike Judy now get sense. Normally Judy is someone that is very senseless. So my people, e be like say the thing don really choke the girl. She come outside for social media come cry out, and the way she cry out, my people come dey pity am for comment section. And the truth is that she never insulted her father. She never did anything to make her father look very bad, but she actually said she's not happy with what the father did. And in fact, dem make her read how she take post am. She write and she say it's not just about becoming somebody else's husband or father that hurts. It's the public humiliation. I'm so ashamed of myself in school because many of my schoolmates are following up, and it's a big disgrace to me being pointed at in school every day. They will just be saying that's the man's daughter, that's the man's daughter, and it's very humiliating. The video wey she post, she come tag the video come talk say you really hurt me a lot, and I really loved you as a father, but you even promised us that you will not leave us. But why is it that now we look at our backs and we look in front of us, we cannot find you as a father again? My people, una remember say one time even May Edochie lawyer come outside come talk say ever since this issue with Judy Austin, say Yul Edochie has even refused to even give his children money or to even take care of his children as a father. Say anytime the children actually goes to Yul Edochie to ask for money, Yul Edochie will actually tell them to go and meet their mother, say their mama na im get money pass am. My people, now Danielle has come outside to actually come and cry out that she was very hot, and she's very hot. That normally even the fact that say Yul Edochie is not being their father again, she don already agree that one. She don already even comot im name for her own son name on top social media. You see that Danielle is no longer bearing Danielle Yul Edochie, she's just Danielle Dubem. She's not, she has removed the man's name because she is not fit to be a father again. Person when you denounce your children as you marry another person, another woman, you denounce your children, even the love and the privileges your children supposed to have from you as a father, you denounced it from them. My people, na so she post am. She come say not be even the fact say you go marry another person na im come be the problem and the wahala, na im come dey even dey pain am. Say na for school the way people just dey look am say that man that is disgracing himself on social media, say na im pikin be that, make una say im pikin. I know how this youth can behave. You to now be making it look as though it's her fault, and it will traumatize her. And in a school where there are bullies, you know how the thing go come, they take beef for her side. The way they go take bully and the way they go take use the matter, they laugh her. Una know say normal this one fit cause trauma for the pikin, and God forbid they will not lose Daniel the way Kamili Chukwu bin kpai. But this one, is it that he's not seeing what he's doing to his children? If Daniel can come outside and come and cry out like this, that means the way the thing they pain her and the way the thing they pain other children of May Edochie, you know they try. People wey dey support you, una know they try. It's like you guys are very wicked in heart, because how will a father actually sit down and watch his daughter like this go through these stuffs? You raise pikin from when she dey very small to this age, and then you decided to break her heart at this stage. And you know how this is the most vulnerable stage in a child's life, that if you traumatize the girl now, the girl fit even talk say she no go marry, say men are all like that. Say at the end of the day she will end up being like her mother, because even for the video she come post and say the mama dey even kpai because of heartbreak, and the way say you go sleep with another woman, say the mama get heart attack, just heartbreak, everything. Say she even lost her mother, like the mother was so depressed and down when you decided to go and sleep with another woman, and you decided to bring that woman inside your own matrimonial home. My people, the way she take post, you know say that time the way May Edochie bin dey, May Edochie everything everything went down to zero. Medoche was so scattered because she even lost Kambilichukwu that period. So the girl bin don already see wetin her mama go through in the hands of a man wey she don deal with since when she dey small, in the hands of a man that she has been with for over 20 years. My people, wetin you think say this thing go suggest to the girl? If you see that the girl does not trust any man or does not have any boyfriend, you cannot blame her. If you see that the girl doesn't want to do anything with men, wants to just be her own self, just wants to make money like her mother is making money, you cannot blame her, because already Yul Edochie has traumatized this girl. Any girl that's from a dysfunctional home, normally they always get issue when it comes to men or marriages. Any girl wey no get the love of papa, or as she dey grow, she dey always hate men and not even want to do. If at all she wants to be with men, she could always sleep with them, dump them. She no go one day committed to a man. And Yul Edochie has caused this one. Yul Edochie, you're not even supposed to be among the people that should be causing this kind of trauma for your kids, because already una been built on top a very good foundation. But Juju Ekwensu enter your life, all your sense comot. Now see what your daughter is posting on social media. See how your daughter is expressing her pain. She no even talk am so deep. The way she talk am, you go see say normally there are so many hurts and tears. And if you see the video when she just dey cry for inside the video, just dey talk say, why did you do this to us? Wetin we really do you, wey you just decided to actually hurt our family in the manner that you did? No be say to carry another woman dey bad, but the way you take handle the whole situation was not funny at all. The way you take handle her mama, the way you take treat her mama, not dey funny. What you did even to your children is not pleasing at all. The way the girl come outside, come cry, now people for comment section come outside, come dey pray, say God make you preserve these children, because the way she dey talk, if na person wey no dey strong, this can actually plunge her into depression, or she will start having suicidal thoughts. Do you know how it is that every day she go walk inside school and all her mates go come dey say, how far your family na? And they hear say your family dey see the social media, see the drag marriage and divorce matter. Say your papa never gree for the divorce. Say yesterday I see your papa video with that Juju Ekwensu. Say they dance, they twerk. Say your papa dey even talk say in his next life say go marry Juju Ekwensu. How far na? No, you say your papa be like you now. This one, and imagine if the girl during the time when the papa still dey with Edochie, imagine say the girl dey always go school, they always are celebrity children now, they always be balling, saying my father is Yul Edochie. And the way Yul Edochie was so respected, so normally the girl be respected. And that period, say not everybody go love you. Probably in her school she can't get many haters wey dey jealous of the fact that they are one big happy family. If you now remember, you get one video when come outside, when this whole saga come outside, you get one video of Edochie, Yul Edochie, and the other two children when they escort Daniel go drop her for school. Say the one you go wish her happy studies, that kind of thing. They can't do video. Even Yul Edochie can't do video. Can't say I'm proud of you, my daughter. Even snap, do videos. They were looking like a lovely family. So imagine many people for school being like her that time. She was a celebrity in school, probably because because of Yul Edochie, and some people can't hate her. Some people are even jealous of her. So now, what do you think those people that were jealous of her and people that are hating her will be doing to her now? So you see, say the humiliation can't be very, 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 very. In fact, people can't dey pity her. We understand what she's going through. So imagine now all those haters, they want to go make her look for Danielle. Some of them can't they talk say, we see your papa dey dance with another woman, say I think say that your papa na one big family una been dey. Now come dey parade school like as though say now only una get school. Now come where your papa show us your papa. You see Yul Edochie's child. Even when she come out a name for social media, how many haters would have gone to her DM and go, and in fact her school people would have actually gone to her DM and start insulting her. Even if they call her name in school, maybe those kind of things where they call class attendance and they say Daniel Yul Edochie, people come dey laugh, say come on that Yul Edochie for inside Daniel no get papa again. Do you know what bullying can cause to a child? So Yul Edochie, you get mind do this kind of thing to your daughter, and imagine say the girl all this while she no come outside can't talk. For her to come outside and come and talk, that means she cannot hold on the pressure again. The pressure dey much. Say it is very humiliating. Say students for her school they use that match her throat. They match her throat well for school, and then you are telling me that many of Yul Edochie supporters will now be talking, coming to social media and be talking of off point. What kind of validation do you want to give to this act of Yul Edochie? Is he not seeing what his children are going through? Is he not seeing what in fact the kind of pain it costs his children? May Edochie is actually trying. She's trying to make sure they don't feel the part that they don't have a father. She's trying to cover up financially, but you know, say normally you still get place of papa for a child's heart, especially the female children. If you the feeling, you una notice say normally female children dey like their papa very well. They don't dey carry their papa joke at all. So especially female children, you know the kind of trauma she will have, even though the mother is trying and she loves the mother, but that space of papa go still dey. E go even come give her trauma if she enter relationship. My people, the way she come cry out for social media was not funny. People come dey pity her, people come dey tell her say make she no worry, say make she no mind all those people wey dey talk, say those people are haters. Na those people that are doing that to her in the school, make they wan arrest them, say which kind rubbish be that one, say because say her papa as celebrity come cast, you can't allow make the child dey face the consequences of her father's actions. Say make they not allow me the girl go have suicidal thoughts, so say e no go funny. People come dey talk say make they no dey leave Danielle alone for inside house, so you no know say maybe she go just dey think, and sometimes anytime she's going to school, make they make sure she has security at least. Make people not allow her make she enter one corner alone. No, that they should watch out for the bullies that are bullying her in school. People were really concerned for her because when she come out and come cry out for social media wasn't funny and it's not nice. Make una tag Will Edochie to this video. Make Will Edochie go check on him pikin. It's not very nice at all. Say the humiliation don't do too much for her. And do you know what it means? That you in fact my people, it's not funny. Make una put am for comment section what una think about this cry out wey Danielle don come do, because normally Will Edochie and May Edochie and her children don't like coming outside to drag Will Edochie matter, but for her to come outside and come and picture this and come and post it and come and cry out on social media say it's not funny again, that means guys the thing is not funny. That means she's really pained. My people, I don't bring the video come una domot, make una follow put am for comment section what una think about this video. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to as many persons you can share to. Make this video reach Will Edochie. Make Will Edochie go check on his children. That is very bad for him to have done that to his first daughter. Make he consider the future of the girl too. Make the girl not get that trauma. Make she not go toss it, she not go marry, or even if she marry, she does not trust the husband. You know, there are some things that will just make a girl in fact not become wife material again, because she'll be like, even my mama suffer with you, her mother suffered with with Will Edochie. Even Will Edochie use him mouth talk and say when you no get anything, say that the woman I stand with her talk say you go make her for life. You can't make her finish, you can't abandon her, throw on one side, carry another one and enter house. So she will not even want to even suffer with a man, because she said my mama be suffer with man, see where the thing can land us. So she might not even trust a man again, which is very traumatic. Make Will Edochie reconsider all his actions. This is actions, the future consequences are not funny, and the future consequences he won't be able to bear them. My people, I say make I bring this news coming out domot. Don't forget to follow me. If you're not following me, subscribe to this my amazing channel where I will bring to you hot ogbonge gist from your top celebrities. Thank you very much guys. I go see una for my next video upload. Bye.